In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an Excel document into a Word document. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to move your data from Excel into Word, while keeping it neat and easy to read. This is really useful if you've created a table or a list in Excel, but you need to present it in a report, a proposal, or any document you'll be sharing in Word. First, open the Excel file that contains the data you want to convert. Take a moment to review the worksheet. Check that your headers are clear, your columns are labeled properly, and there aren't any extra blank rows or columns that you don't actually need. Cleaning things up now will make your final Word document look much more professional. Next, select the exact range of cells you want to bring into Word. Click and drag from the top left cell of your data to the bottom right cell. If you have a large table, it can help to click the first cell. Hold the Shift key, and then click the last cell in the range so you accurately select everything. Once your data is selected, copy it. You can do this by right-clicking and choosing Copy, or by using the keyboard shortcut. After copying, open Microsoft Word, and either create a new document or open an existing one where you want this table to appear. Click in the Word document where you want the Excel data to be inserted. Now, instead of just pasting normally, look for the paste options. Depending on your version of Word, you might see a small clipboard icon or a drop-down under the Paste button. Here, you can choose how the Excel data will come over. If you want the data to come in as a simple, editable Word table, choose the option that matches the destination formatting. This lets Word style the table so it fits the look of your document, and you can edit it just like any other table in Word. If you need to keep the original Excel formatting, choose to keep source formatting. This preserves the look and feel of your spreadsheet as much as possible. And if you want the table in Word to stay linked to the original Excel file so that updates in Excel can be reflected in Word, choose the option to paste as a link. Just remember, this relies on the original Excel file staying in the same location. Once it's pasted, adjust column widths, text alignment, and font size in Word so everything is easy to read, and then save your document.